Friends, good morning. I have shared you a lot of strategies based on technical indicators, support resistance, price action trading without indicators. Now this is the last week of May month. Now I am going to share patterns. There are a lot of patterns forms on stocks. Usually it takes weeks to months. Based on those patterns you can do intraday trading and swing trading. Swing trading means you can take a position and keep with you and book the profit after a week or in days. So let's start with first pattern, which is triangle pattern. So I will let you know trading based on triangle. Time frame for trade is 30 minutes or 1 hour. Trade setup as usual. Market should be in bull or bear direction. Please identify the trend with trend line and select the stock as per stock selection criteria, which I have already told you. Trading time is, again I have recommended two timings, 9:20 am to 11:30, then the second half 1:40 pm to 2:45 pm. Avoid second half trading. Let's do it in first half. Take a trade from 9:20 am to 9:40 and exit all positions by 11:30 am. The same as usual, this strategy should be avoided in sideways and range bound market. So triangle pattern. So triangle pattern, there are three types of triangle pattern. First is symmetrical triangle. The second is ascending triangle. The third is descending triangle. So we will be discussing on these three patterns. So let's start with the first pattern, symmetrical triangle pattern. In this pattern we will see lower highs and higher lows. The symmetrical triangle pattern works with in best way when used as a continuation pattern. It means if any pattern is going on and it will continue thus in the same trend, then it will be better. So this pattern can be prior before trend forming, can be bullish or bearish. The symmetrical pattern should be used with trend. Let's say it is a bullish trend, we look for upside breakout. If it is a bearish trend, we should look for downside breakout. So these are probabilities that we can use. So you see here, symmetrical triangle pattern can be drawn by a simple connecting two swings with two sloping lines. You see here, these two sloping lines that need to converge at some point in future, making the break inevitable. So here you can see in the diagram, you have to draw two trend lines here, and this has two peaks and two troughs, and that should be merged. So this is a symmetrical pattern, triangle pattern. We have kept in mind that the symmetrical triangle is a neutral chart formation, and it can break through in both the direction. Since it is merging at single point, so it can have a breakout either in upward or in downward. When we finally break from the symmetrical triangle, the following movements to be very violent and fast moving. So the movement will be very fast. The second pattern, you see ascending triangle pattern, the diagram shown in front of you. You can draw a straight line, then again you have to take two troughs at least, and draw a line. You see that it is a breakout in upward. Ascending triangle pattern will break out in upward, while descending triangle pattern is the same mentioned in picture. You see, you have to draw a sloping trend line and one down horizontal trend line that is taking two peaks and troughs, and they are merging at a point. A descending triangle pattern have a breakout in downward direction. So we discussed three patterns: symmetrical triangle pattern that can be breakout at any direction. The second is ascending triangle pattern that will break out in upward direction. Then the descending triangle pattern that will break out downward direction. You see, if you see a TV like CNBC and G Business, a lot of experts on TV, they tell now symmetrical triangle has formed and stock is breaking out. So now you can also understand this. For practicing, you have to make these patterns. You can go on the daily chart and form these patterns. In case of any help or support required, you can take my help. Now you see the second symmetrical triangle. It is the diagram. You can see. You see the stock is going up and down, and you see I have drawn a two in symmetrical triangle pattern. You have to draw two trend line, one in upward, one in downward, and there will be one converging point. You have to use two peaks and two troughs at least. You have to start from left to right. Please remember, do not start from right to left. And you see here the stock, this has merged, and here you see there is a breakout. The stock is going down, but you have to wait. This is a bearish candle going down. Let it come back and test the upward trend line, and then after getting confirmation candle, you short it the stock. In intraday, you can long and short the stock. This can happen both the way. You see, it is a nice view and you can get money. Ascending triangle, I already explained There is a resistance at top. You see here ascending triangle. There is a resistance at top. You see the stock is going in upward direction, and then again it is on range bound, then it is going for breakout. So you face a resistance here at this point, and then before breakout point, and it is going to break out on upward direction. So there is a resistance at the top and the higher lows that form at the bottom. Like the ascending triangle pattern is a bullish continuation pattern, please remember, and high probability for trades, but it can be easily used for sell setup as well if downside break first. So you have to see in which direction it is going on. So for high probability trades we want to look for breakup resistance higher. Once it break the resistance, it will go in upwards. The top of ascending triangle pattern is resistance and bottom is ascending pattern is trend line. You see, you can see here. So you can correlate the same. This is the trend line and this is the resistance, and it is breaking out. Note, the best way to enter triangle is only when the price has broken and closed above the upside trend line in case of bullish breakout, and when the price has broken and closed below the downside trend line in case of bearish. So you see here it is going in upward trend, this is a trend line, and here it has broken. So you can see that. The next you see here, this is same ascending triangle pattern. See, this is a resistance, this is a trend line, rising support level you can say, and here stock is a breaking out, and you can take the profit from here, this point to that point. You can draw a line, and this profit you can book it here, X amount from here to the resistance, that is the profit. So you break out and put a stop loss at here, this point. So the second I already covered. The third is descending triangle. These triangles are similar to ascending, however they are opposite of them. What will see the support on the bottom and lower highs at the top. So you see here support at bottom, and you see here, and it is going for breakout. Then you go here, you see that the stock is going down, and here you see support and resistance, then it is going for breakout. So descending triangle pattern is a bearish continuation pattern for high probability trades, but it can be easily used as a buy setup as well if the upside break first. So for high probability trades we want to look for breakout of support level. See, this is the horizontal support, and if it is breaking out, you go ahead with trade. You see here, you see here descending triangle pattern. Here also it has been shown. So this is a bearish chart pattern formed in the downtrend as continuation. However, this pattern can be bearish reversal pattern and of uptrend. Therefore, regardless of where it forms, it is a bearish pattern. So you see the height you see here, the height of the triangle used to determine the profit. How much profit you take from here to here, and that you can book the profit. So these patterns you have to take previous data from strong support to top of the descending triangle, that profit you can book. So now how we are going to trade? So first process is find a forming triangle. You have to see what kind of pattern is getting formed, whether it is ascending, descending or symmetrical. So you have to identify that. You have to draw that, then you can go ahead. The second part is wait for breakout triangle pattern. So now all you need to do is your wait for the breakout triangle. You already seen, if it is on daytime frame, it may be before you see. If it is an hourly time frame, it may not break until the next day. What's important, if it's break, you go back in the charts and draw some of these. You will find when this breaks occurs, more often than not break happens fast, and it is usually very powerful, which is why you need to learn how to draw this your chart. So you do a practice. Once you see the breakout above the triangle, it will always a buy. If breaks below out the triangle, please remember it is a sell. This example of breakout above the triangle, so that you will be looking for the buy. So third point, once you let settle down and price settle, enter the trade. Once you see that it broke your triangle that you drew, you can technically go ahead and trade the position. This method would for advanced traders also consider the current price action and what volatility of market is. There is a biggest risk in trading this way. So let's go next point. Take profit and stop loss techniques. When you start to see the price of consolidating, that you would a great place to exit trade. As you can see, that is what happened there. So we would exit this trade for profit as a winner. I will again summarize this point. First, you have to find a forming triangle. Go on the daily chart or hourly chart. You just see what pattern is getting formed. Wait for breakout. Let price settle down. Enter the trade and stop loss and exit. Friends, this is what I share. It is really interesting. So I will request you to you go to investing.com. Whatever stock you like, you try to draw this pattern. Any help or support, feel free. I will be helping you on this. The patterns are usually used in swing trading. Some experts, technical, some traders are using in intraday also. So this is what I told you. Have practice. You should know how to draw a trend line. I already told you. You go through my video and have a practice. I will cover more patterns double top, double bottom, head and shoulders, and cup with handle. So you will be getting more videos. I am covering complete technical analysis, that is, you say advanced technical analysis. I already covered technical indicators, patterns, price action. So but I request to go through my all videos, otherwise you will not be able to understand. So go through on these things, and I request you again, learn financial market. I am not saying you start trading. This will help you throughout life. So do it, learn, have a paper date sometime. Please remember, these patterns form in commodity also, index also, options also, so future also you can use anywhere. The phenomena of technical analysis is same around the world. It is a art as well as science mixture. So please subscribe this video. If you have not subscribed, press the bell icon and share to your friends. So I will be with next video soon tomorrow.